Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you another high potential airdrop which is called Mey Network. They already have 86k followers and an active community on X. The best part is their main token is already listed in the market and is priced around 0.10 right now. Also, you can check their total market cap, supply, etc. Mey Network is basically a crypto investment and real estate project focused on real world assets. Their goal is to digitalize or tokenize real estate properties. That is why they have launched the main token, which serves as the main use case within their ecosystem. So if you want to know more about them, then you can visit their website. I'll show you step by step how you can participate. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe and turn notifications on to get all airdrops and updates. Also, most importantly, don't forget to join our Telegram channel where I share all updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To participate in the airdrop campaign, first you need to come to this site. I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you can find the link. After landing here, first click on claim for free. Then you need to connect your X account, so click here, authorize it, and done. Then you need to follow their account, so click here. Then it will redirect you to X. Follow their profile and done. Once completed, click on the open your red envelope option. So here you can see your units and your ranking. Then this is your red envelope. Here what you need to do is download this card. After that you need to share it on X, so click on share on X. Then a post will automatically generate. Simply add the downloaded card image, then post it, and done. So this task is complete. Next, here you will find lots of basic tasks which you need to complete one by one. For example, click here to follow their X account, then follow their profile, come back, and done. Similarly, you can join their Telegram, Discord, Instagram, YouTube, etc. So make sure to complete them all. Also, here you can see the leaderboard section where you can see top rankers, and you can also climb higher to earn better rewards. Here you will also find the invite friends option. You can copy this link and share it with your friends, and you will receive 10 units for each friend who joins. One more important task is to join their Discord and claim roles. I'll also provide the Discord joining link in the Telegram post. First, accept the invite. Then you need to verify, so click on verify. Then click on continue. Then again click on continue. Then solve the captcha. After you successfully verify, you will see the make certificate section. So click here to claim your certificate. It's important to complete both of these X tasks. Basically, you need to follow both X profiles. After that, click on claim certificate. Then an automatic certificate will generate for you. Click on the image, then save this image. After that, you need to share this on X. So click here, share on X, then click on visit site. Then it will automatically create a post for you. Add your certificate image which you downloaded earlier. Then post it. After posting, you need to copy this post link. So copy the link. Then go back to Discord and click here submit post link. Then paste the link here and click on submit. Done. Then click here on invite friends. You can share this Discord link with your friends, which means if 15 friends join through your link, then you will be upgraded to tier B, and if 50 friends join, then you will be upgraded to tier A. After that, you need to claim roles. So click here on the claim roles option, then tap here and first click on events and you will get the role. Then click on engage and then click on raffle, and finally all roles claiming is done. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.